Alpha and me spikings, I don't show again. They with me. You see microkernel architecture, Now one of those patterns where they make software behave like modular furniture. You get the main chair, then if you add pillow, headrest, cup holder, all of them as plugin. Then any other thing where you want to add, John, just plug them in like plugins. Simple. You know as VS Code BRB, the app no they too heavy at first. Once you install Python extension, ESLint, Pretty, I'm waiting that they call that one, Prettier, or Wakade, I'm waiting that they call them, or you just put all this your plugin for your, depending on your stack where they use. Before you know, VS Code on the chop space. So for microkernel architecture, we get two main things. We get the core system, which now be microkernel itself. This one are the heart of the app. They run basic things like managing plugins, lifecycle, and maybe basic services. Yeah, yes. Then the next one are the plugins or extension. Put that VS Code thing for mind. This one are your feature gang and your feature gone, the features where you want to add one by one. Anything where the user need will no be core, like file exports, analytics, payments, all those ones. So now plugin go handle them. So now the two main parts be that. The microkernel part and then the plugin or extension part itself. And why this one makes sense so? Why this microkernel style or pattern makes sense so? It makes sense for apps we need to be very, very flexible. For example, like I talked before, music player. Because they handle things like play and pause. But if you install lyrics, plugin, or visualizer, you understand that kind of thing? Browser too, for example. The main browser, they fast. Then, for example, then ad blocker, for example, password manager, VPN plugin. You know all those things. All those ones, they will just enter like Agbero where they find ticket up and down. Then even VS Code, Eclipse. Eclipse don't take, I don't know whether they see they use them. Then Photoshop, you know those kind of things. You just add plugins for different things. Might give you real life examples so that you still make and sit well. Imagine say you they sell bread. Your oven just they bake plain bread, right? More look that one as the core, the microkernel now. But some customers, they ask you for sardine. Some want chocolate chip. One girl even contact you saying you want gluten-free. Yes. Instead, make you for build 5 types of oven. You go just design plug-in oven trays. You grab. You'll get your sardine tray. You'll get your chocolate chip tray. You go get your gluten-free tray. You understand? One oven, different outcomes. Now so it be. So what will be the benefits? The first main one, of course, now the plug and play. You they add features without breaking the whole app. So now the core go they very stable because now the plugins they work up and down, not be the core app itself. Some go work on core and the others go to work on the things like plugin to take to serve as the extensions. So developers feel focus, for example, now some go focus on the core and then some go focus on the add-ons. You understand? Then if you go feel happy to fit test plugins separate, no need for overhead wahala too much. But wait, problem fee enter if plugin won't do pass call, or like if plugin they misbehave like fake USB drive, everything will just hang. So you got get clear interface, good communication channel, and make the core very strong like Dangote cement. So microkernel no be rocket science, now just small but mighty. Just build the core and then let add-ons or plugin join them. Finish. Now the simple thing be that. So if this video scatter your brain small, type plugin lifestyle. We'll see for the next video with the next architecture, pattern, or be whatever. Until then, code save. Bye.